Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. What Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you need help in this complete assignment or if you want to defer this complete my library course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. We will defer this complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course. I will do each and everything. All Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. It's mean I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, all cumulative assessment and capstone assessment and final exam with A plus grade. So we will go to Martilla Pearson, go to What Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism, click on download material button. If you need help in other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Web Development and many more online courses, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will do your complete course with A plus grade. So we will click on download all files button. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. So we will go to download folder and we will open our instruction file first. Click on enable editing button. So then we will go to our moving on title of assignment. The title of assignment XP22 What Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. Okay. This is the title of assignment. Under this title you can see project description to get idea about your project. So we will move on instructions. Increase the font size and highlight for a proper view in my video. So we will moving on question number 1. In question number 1, start Word, download and open the file name XP22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from my library Pearson dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file. I am going to opening my documentation worksheet. Click on enable editing button. So we will moving on question number 2. In question number 2, place the insertion point at the end of the document. Okay, simply we will place the insertion point at the end of the document, insert a 2 by 1 table, adjust the width of first column to 2 inches, apply a table style of list table 2s and 6, row 2, column 7 under list table. The first point of question number 2, place the insertion point at the end of the document. We will go to the documentation worksheet, place the insertion point at the end of the document is here. So we will insert a table 2 by 1 table. Okay. Adjust the insert a table. Go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button. We will insert table 2 row and 1 column. So table is inserted. So width of the first column to 2 inches. Width of the first column to 2 inches. We will select first column. Go to the table layout tab. In the cell size group, width of first column 2 inches. Okay. So we will move on next point. Apply a table style of list table 2s and 6. We will apply a table. Go select table, go to the table design tab. In the table style group, table style. Okay, you can see I have applied table style of list table 2s and 6. So we will move on question number 3. In question number 3, center the newly created table horizontally. Select the table and apply shading of gray as and 3 letter 80%. First point of this question, center the newly created table horizontally. We will select this table, go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, we will apply the center, the alignment. Okay, select the table and apply shading of gray as and 3 letter 80%. We will go to the table design tab. In the table style group, click on shading button. Gray accent 3 letter. 80% I have applied this style, so we will move on question number 4. In question number 4, insert a row between the first and second rows of the first table. Okay, under the eco-friendly word destination row, type destination in the first cell on the new row, type description in the next cell. So type C2 rating in the last cell on the row. First point of question number 4 is that insert a row between the first and second row of the first table. Okay. First table, we will insert a row between the first and second row. We will click on second row and go to the table layout tab. In the rows and columns group, click on insert row below. Sorry, insert row above. Really sorry. We will insert a row above. So we will type destination in the first cell on the new row. Type destination in the first cell on the new row. We will type destination is here. Copy and paste simply. Okay. So the next, type description in the next cell. Type description in the next cell. Okay. So type C2 rating in the last cell on the row. Type C2 rating in the description of the last cell of the new row. You can see I have done this complete question. So I am going to do question number 5 of this assignment. In question number 5, insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. So type approximate visitor year in the last cell on the second row. Type data in the final two columns of the table as follows. C2 rating and approximate visitor years column. You can see first we will insert a column at the right of last column in the table. So we will select last column. So we will go to the table layout tab. In the rows and columns group, click on insert column right. You can see I have inserted a column to the right of the last column in the table. So type approximate visitor year in the last cell on the second row. Second row and last cell we will type approximate visitor year. Copy and paste here. So we will move on next point. Type data in the final two columns of the table C2 rating and approximate visitor year. C2 rating is 8, 7, 9, 6. Okay, 8, 7, 9, 6, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8. You can see I have entered complete data of C2 rating column. So I am going to enter the data for approximate visitor year column. First data is 253,000. 300. 250,300. So the next data for next row 524,000. 524,000. Okay, the next data is 2,700,000. This is the next data 2,700,000. Copy and paste data here. So 34,900 is the next data. 34,900. So the next is 190,000. 3,500. So the next data is 145,000. 145,000. So the last data for approximate visitor year column is 34, sorry, 34 8000. Okay, 34 8000. 348,000. Okay, so I have done this complete question. You can see on my laptop screen. Now I am going to do question number 6 of this assignment. In question number 6, select the first table, select a border style of double solid line 1 over 2 point S and 3. Apply the selection to outside border auto fit content of the table. Select the first table. Okay, first table is selected. So select a border style of double solid line 1 over 2 point S and 3. We will go to the table layout tab. So table design tab. In the borders group, click on border style button. Okay, you can see I have applied 1 over 2 point S and 3 double solid line border style. So next point of this question, really sorry, one second. Outside border. Okay, I have applied this all selection and outside border and go to auto fit contents. Okay, now you can see all is good. So moving on question number 7. Select the first row of the first table. One second. Okay, select the first row of the first table and merge cell. Center text in the first row. Apply shading of light gray background to darker 50%. Change the font color of text in the first row to white background 1. Bold text in the selected row and change the font size to 14. First, we will select the first row of the first table and merge cells. We will select first row of the first table and go to the table layout tab. In the merge group, click on merge cell button. Center text in the first row. We will go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, apply center the alignment. You can see first row is centered right now. Eco-friendly word destination is centered. And apply shading of light gray background to darker 50%. We will go to the table layout tab, table design tab. In the table style group, click on shading button. Light gray background to darker 50%. You can see I have applied this shading on first cell of the first row. Change first row. Change font color of text in the first row to white background 1. We will select first row and go to the home tab. In the font group, click on font color button. We will apply white background 1 font color of text in the first row. You can see I have changed the font color of text in the first row of white background color 1. So bold text in the selected row and change the font size to 14. We will go to the home tab. In the font group, apply bold on this selected text and we will go to font size and apply 14 font size. 14. Okay, simply we will apply 14 font size of the first row text. So I have done 7 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 18. I have